page number 29. Write what kind of angle is made by the hands of these times. Also write the time. You have time written on this. You have to find out which type of angle is formed, and you also have to write name. You have to copy this in textbook as well as in CW. Now time over here is 7:25. So we will write 7:25, and angle formed is less than right angle. Next one, time written over here is 8:15, and angle formed is more than right angle. Next one, time is 9:10, and angle formed is more than right angle. Next one, time is 9:25, and angle formed is more than a right angle. Next one, time is 10 o'clock, and angle formed is less than a right angle. Now question number 2. Draw the hands of the clock where they make an angle which is less than right angle. Also write time. You have to make angles which form you have to draw angles which form an angle of less than right angle, and you have to write time. So first one will be 9:35. This will be 9 and this will be 35. You have to write 9:35 over here. Next is 2 o'clock. You have to draw hands like this and write 2 o'clock. Next is 3:05. This will be angle and this is the time. Now this is the answer of matchsticks puzzle given on page number 19. Page number 30, degree clock. Appu and Kitu are playing carom board. Appu hit the striker. It comes back at the same angle. See, there is a carom board, two boys are playing, and a person named Appu hits the striker and it comes back again. In the picture, 3 points A, B, C are shown. Draw a line to show from which point should Kitu hit to get the queen. See, if you hit the striker from point A, then this will hit like this. If you hit the striker from point B, then this will hit like this. This will not go straight. You can measure it with the help of scale. This will go like this. And if you hit the striker from point C, then this will go like this. So correct answer is point A. This will be the answer. If you want, you can measure an angle in degrees using a degree clock. Degree is written as like this. Symbol of degree will be like O, small O written on top of any number. Now page number 31. Activity, making a degree clock. Cut a circle out of paper. You have to take a paper and cut it into circle. Fold it into half. You have to fold it into half. Fold once again into quarter. Then fold it like this. Fold it up once more. Then fold it again. Open the paper. You will see lines like this. When you open the paper, you will see lines like this. Now mark 0, 45, 90, 180 degree as shown. You can see these degrees in your protector also. Paste it on old card. It means take a cardboard and paste it on it. From the center, draw one hand like this. Make a red hand with a thick paper and fix it to the next. Fix it to the center with a drawing pin so that it is free to move. Now take another red hand and fix it like this, and now you can move this to measure degree. So this is just a protector. Your degree clock is ready. Your degree clock to measure the right angle of your pencil box. Dash is the measurement of your dash is the measure of right angle. So answer will be 90 degree. 90 degree will be the measure of right angle. Can you guess how many degrees is the angle which is half of right angle? The angle which is half of right angle, it means half of 90 degree, will be 45. You have to divide 90 with 45. Next is 1/3 of right angle. For this I will show you calculation. See, you have to divide 90 by 3. Now as I said, don't take 0 into consideration. Take 9 and 3. You have to find out whether 9 comes in the table of 3 or not. So answer will be yes. 3 3s will be 9 and this 0 will remain as it is. So answer will be 30. Now divide it like this. 90 divide by 30. 3 3s are 9. 9 over here. 9 minus 9 0. 0 down. We cannot divide 0, so we will write 0 over here. So over here answer will be 30 degree. 2 times of right angle. This will be 90 into 2. 2 zeros are 0 and 9 2s are 18. So 180 degree will be the answer. Next is measure the angle from where key 2 should hit the striker on page 30. Page number 32. Angles in a paper aeroplane. Take a square sheet of paper. You have to take a square sheet of paper, fold it into half and open. First fold, then open. Fold the corners to the center. Your paper looks like this. Now take these two corners and fold it like this. Now this will look like this. Fold the green triangle such that P touches Q. Now you have to fold this again over here. Fold the two top corners on this rectangle along the dotted lines. Now you have to fold this. Your paper will look like this. There is a small triangle in the picture which has to be folded up. Now this will be, if you fold this will be the final image. And you can see a triangle which must be folded. You have to fold this inside. Turn it over and fold it in a half along a dotted line. Now you have to fold this into half like this. Now to make wing, fold the yellow edge over the red edge. Now you have to fold yellow edge over the red edge, this like this, and on the other side also same. Turn it and do the same on the other side as well. Your plane is ready to fly. How well does it fly? Find the angles of 90 degree and 45 degree when you open your plane. Likewise, you have to make a plane and mark angles of 45 degree and 90 degree. Page number 33. Angles with yoga. You have to make angles while doing yoga. Rahmat is doing yoga. There are pictures of different asanas he does every day. See, he does few asanas and some of them are drawn here. Now you can see that few angles are formed while he is performing yoga. Estimate the measure of many angles as you can made by different parts of your body while doing asanas. You can play the D game. With your friends, you draw an angle. Your friend will guess the measure of that angle. Then use your D to measure it. The difference between the measured angle and the guess angle will be your friend's score. The one with lowest score will be the winner. Come on, play. This is called D or also protector. You and your friend can play a game where you have to draw an angle and your friend will have to measure. Then with the then your friend will have to guess. Then with the help of protector, you have to measure whether whether the guessed angle is correct or not. The one with lowest score will win. So this will be D or protector, as you say. So this is chapter number 2.